So, hey bud. So, we've got our fridge filter here that we just took out. It's been there for 3 years. And they're like $50, and the fridge wants us to change them. Okay, every couple months. I don't think so. I've left it in there for 3 years. Now, it's a little heavier than the one that came out. What do you think? Should be heavier? Of course, it's got some water in it, and I haven't been able to get all the water out, so it's going to make some mess. But we're going to have a little fun. See what happens. We're going to cut this thing open and see what's inside. I'm going to try to use this method of cutting it, just so we don't get a whole lot of debris in it. Can you walk, buddy? You want to climb up there? Here, I'll help set you up there. All right, you ready? Can you give that a crank for me? Other way. Turn it the other way. Yep. All right, that's good. We'll hold off right there for just a minute. I'll get this in my right hand where I can. There we go. Now we're making some progress. Oh, and we've got water. All right, let's see what this filter has inside of it. I'm going to set this phone right here on the edge of the table. Oh, look at that. Well, it's just a pretty simple kind of design. Water comes in that hole. Or probably the opposite. Actually, it probably comes in this hole. And then flows around the outside. Seeps through the media and comes out here, if I was guessing. It looks like the majority of the dirt is here on the outside. Yeah, it's pretty gritty. There's a lot of grit there. So, I'm curious to actually maybe even get the ends off this filter and see what we have inside of it. Alright. Let's see about maybe balancing the phone right there.
That's cool. This thing rolls and this thing cuts.
It does cut, doesn't it?
Yeah, and flat.
Yep. Oh my goodness. See if we can do this without knocking the phone over. Just something to get this plastic end cap off. I don't know what we're gonna. Let me just cut the thing in half. Oh, there we go. There we go.
That's a lot of water.
So that's kind of a stone. It's like ceramic of some type, but it is naturally black. The difference is you can see there's a green film here on the outside. It's like, looks like what you'd see on the sitting on the surface of your car on a nice spring morning. And it's pretty gritty. I imagine this was getting pretty plugged up. Oh yeah, I can't even blow. I plugged the hole in the end. I can't even get any air to pass through it. Oh well. Anyway. That's the inside of a water filter out of the fridge. So, I think that's a stone, some kind of stone material. Actually, let's see if we can crush it in a vise, just for fun. You got a hold of that? Let's set this down here. Dump all the water off of it first. Let's see what happens when we crush it in a vise. Can you guys see that? Let me look over at the phone. Nope, can't now. Or I'm just knocking all kinds of things over. Okay. What do you think, kid?
You're doing great.
I'm doing great. Good. That's good to know.
You have to do that even harder, so I'll stay.
Yeah, we're gonna crush it just for fun. Look at that. Look at that. That is definitely like a stony kind of ceramic-y. You know, clearly it's very porous, but get here under the light. Where's that light at? Right here above us.
That one's pretty hard.
It actually looks pretty dry. In the core of that, I just took this out of the fridge like 10 minutes ago. Anyway.
This stuff is frozen like ice. Isn't it?
It is kind of frozen like ice, isn't it?
Very hard.
Well, that's cool. Well, that's a fridge filter. What do you think, kid?
Great.
Great.